Hello everyone and welcome back to our Yokogawa CENTUM UP tutorials. In today's lesson we will continue the topic from our previous lesson, sequential block signals. And in today's lesson we learn how to send signal with the logic chart LC64. And why are we doing this, my friends? In previous lesson, we used the sequential table to send the signal between the blocks, between the logical blocks. However, in real project, signal can also be generated by the logic chart and SEBOOL programs, and as the Yokogawa engineer we must show all common methods. So let's open our system view and let's open our project. FCS functional block number 6. And here, my friends, let's add logic chart block LC64. Firstly, let's rearrange this block. Here. And let's add our new block LC64. And let's give name send LC like this. And now let's open our block to write our logic here. And here, my friend, we must add the input and output parameters between the one-shot logic. And from the previous lesson, we know that we have CENTUM pack. Let's add it here, CENTUM.pv, and .on. And also we add our output signal, and output signal is a signal to our message. And let's check it. First, let's check our tag name. Yes, correctly, the CENTUM. And also let's check our message is the EV0001, and it will be our output. And let's add output element here, and let's do it like this, EV0001 dot PV. And if you remember, we write here the 100. And here, my friends, again we have a question, and the question is about what does the number 100 mean. The answer is very simple. The number 100 is the value of parameter, either a parameter that is sent together with a signal. You can think of it as the additional information attached to the signal. For example, when we send the signal EV001, we can also send a number such as 100 or 200 or 500 or another value. And if we want to make a simple analogy, imagine that you send a ladder and the signal name is EV001 is the ladder itself, and the number 100 is the node placed in our envelope. So now let's add another element, my friends, and we need to add here the one shot and tone. One shot and tone. Place it here and like this and this, and now we add the wire to make connection. Wiring 1 and 2, and here also the 1 and 2. And my friends, what does it mean, the tone and TOF from here? And let me write down it in notebook. One shot tone, it's mean the trigger on. We can write it like the rising edge, and TOF, it means the trigger on falling edge. And more deeply on the signal, I want to explain you by the signal. If we take this curve like this, and also if we can write it like this, and also like this. So my friends, this is our rising gauge. When you press, for example, the on button, the signal rises and then go down. The same for the digital signal. The signal rise and then it's maybe go continuously or go to fall. And this is the falling gauge when you go from the on to off. Simple, you can remember it like this, from on to off, and this one from the off to on. And return to our here. Return to our logic, and let's update our logic here. Date and save to check if we have any errors or the warnings. No, we don't have any errors and warnings. And my friends, that's all for today. I wish you all the best and all good health. Subscribe to our channel and click the like button if you enjoy our video and if it's useful for you, and see you in the next lesson.